welcome back to the nest. I've been gone for a little while, and that's because I needed to get my creative juices flowing again and think about what kind of content I would like to bring to you. If you like what I do, please take a moment to like and subscribe. It helps me grow my channel as I'm new to YouTube, and this is just me wanting to share what I love to do, and that's crafting of all kinds. So let's get into this. Today I am focusing on making a mini album, junk journal, or mini scrapbook that is St. Patrick's Day themed. So for this project, what I normally like to do is, this particular mini album is made out of candy boxes. I'm going to alter the covers, the front and the back. So what I've done is I'm going to take off this cover. All I'm going to do, use the cover as my template. Shamrock paper came from Michael's. It's part of the Recollections collection. Make 2 of those. Cut it out. Line it up and punch the holes. I'm going to repeat that process for the front cover and the back cover. So here I've got 2 already set up, and I just want to make sure I've got the right ones where I need them to go. I'm just going to use my trusty blue monotabs. Make sure I don't put any adhesive where the holes are. Alrighty, I'm going to line these holes up. There we go. So I've cut out a square. I want you to be able to still see the shamrock, so I'm not going to cover it completely, but we're going to do some layering today. Just going to center this, and I've got this really, really adorable Bella Pop leprechaun. We're going to pop him into the middle, and then I have a St. Patrick's sticker that we're going to put at the bottom. We're going to bling this baby out. These really adorable shamrock embellishments. And voila, we've got our front cover.